Talk about family and influences. So, what made you want to get into real estate?
I would say my grandmother.
Mm.
Our house has always been a house that when somebody didn't have anywhere to stay, they always stayed with us. We
Always at
always had,
home.
yeah, we always
Okay.
had randoms, randoms at our house. But the cool thing about it is, she,
So almost like Big Mama's House of Soul Food.
yep.
Okay.
And she
Wait,
actually,
you weren't cousin Faye, were you?
nah, nah, bro. So silly. But no, she was like Airbnb before Airbnb was a thing.
Okay.
Our house is, well, we have another house. It's always been a house that people who couldn't afford market rent.
Hmm.
Basically, they call grandma. She had a room for them, fully furnished.
Oh, so she was actually renting out rooms.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
she been doing that.
I didn't
My
know that.
grandma never worked. Like I've never seen my grandmother work.
Mm.
My grandfather's always worked. He's taking care of her, and like that was her like side hustle.
So she always had hustles.
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in relation like how I never saw my dad actually like clock in
Hmm.
for a job, and so your grandmother was a big influence on how you were raised. You never saw her actually clock in for a job.
Never.
Mm. So you think eventually you have to like look to her and like, all right, there has to be like something to this.
Yeah, and it's like she basically will always tell me how much money she made per room. I thought that was always cool. Like utilities was always included.
Yeah,
And she
yeah.
made a nice profit.
Okay.
So grandfather took care of the big bills. She took care of like utilities, stuff like that. But like that's how she paid her bills. Like she rented rooms. That was
And
the thing.